We pardon to mention, my lord, one sister marriage was fixed to 2/6. I have filed a IA for interim bail may be taken up.
Which matter?
BLPL. Your lordship adjourn the case.
John matter ମୁଁ କୁଆଡେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିଡି ପାଇଁ ରଖୁଥିଲେ।
ଏ କଣ ଆସୁଛି ସେ ଅଲଗା କଥା। ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଟାଇଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବି ନାହିଁ
tied up
ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ ଫେୟାର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ। Yes.
Principal bench.
The matter was taken bail matter. Preliminary magistrate.
ଫେୟାର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ଯାହା ଆସିବ ମୁଁ ନେବି।
My lord, the matter was taken up my lord court and it was adjourned 12
ଆର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ବି ଅନ୍ୟ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବନି। Yes.
Lordship adjourn to one bail appeal to
ସେ ଆର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ପୁରା କହିଲି ଆସିବନି ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଯାହା ଯେତିକି ଆସିବ ନବା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
Pardon my lord, item 52 sub-item. It is a infructuous matter. Item 52 sub-item.
File the memo.
My lord, I have filed the Okalatnama as well as the
52
sub-item. There are two connected items. BLPL 724 of 2025.
Who are you?
My lord, Rajiv Lochan Das.
You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petition.
But your power is not there.
I have just now filed the Okalatnama. I have
pending
No. This is a infructuous matter. The father of the petitioner was expert. For that reason, one interim application was filed before the.
You will call the matter. Yes.
Your lordship, I filed an
Supplemental
appeal
list.
for modification.
Item number 1.
And I may kindly particular mention it's an urgent matter. Now, this honorable court by order dated 9/5/2025 was released to grant release the petitioner on regular bail number 3789/2025, madam. And we have obtained the online certified copy from the official website of the Odisha High Court, my lord. Thereafter, today morning, my lord, we have approached before the learned SDJ Khorda, and we have served the certified copies of the before the learned court. And even after verifying the said order from the official website of Odisha High Court, my lord, had not accepted the online certified copy.
Do not know. Certified copy you have obtained.
Yes, my lord, from the official website.
What can we do? We obtain the certified copy and file the bail bonds and it will be accepted.
Yes, my lord.
That
We
is
have filed said all the documents and along with memo.
That,
Even after
give a complaint to the, made a submission before the session judges. Next, yeah.
My lord, item number 26. The item has become infructuous. The relationship.
Wait, I'm going serially. Call the
Supplemental list. Item number 1.
Petitioner is in custody since 13/10/2020. Now, as on today, 4 years, 7 months in custody, and out of 48 charge sheet witnesses, till 11/3/2025, 25 witnesses has been examined. I annexed the entire requisition copy of the witnesses examined so far. And initially, petitioner not named in a file, but confessed before the police. He implicated in this case.
Wait, twice your bail application has been rejected.
Twice rejected and twice your lordship granted interim bail.
Yeah.
On bail appeal number 1504 of 2023, your lordship granted interim bail for a period of 3 months on the ground of delayed trial.
Which matter?
Bail appeal number 1504 of 2023. Order dated 12/9/2023. Annexed to the bail application, my lord, page 15.
Yes.
And thereafter also, in second occasion, bail appeal number 2997 of 2024, page 18, my lord. On 4/10/2024, your lordship also granted 3 months interim bail, and I have surrendered in time before the learned court below after expiry of the interim bail. And now, out of the 48 charge sheet witnesses, till 11/3/2025, only 25 witnesses have been examined, and no one support the prosecution case, madam.
The officers under section 302, 394 and 452. Officers under section 302, 394 and 452. The CD has not come. And maybe criminal antecedent would be required.
Alright, the learning council for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary. As well as criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Stop. It is stated that the petitioner, on account of delayed disposal of the trial, has been granted interim bail twice in BLAPL number 1504 of 2023 by order dated 22/9/2023 and BLAPL number 2997 of 2024 by order dated 4/10/2024, and after availing the interim bail period, he surrender at right time. The learned counsel for the state shall also obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail. Stop. So far, learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that in the trial court, out of how many witnesses?
48.
48
Charge sheet
witnesses, comma. How many of them?
25 witnesses have been examined.
25.
Yes, madam. Till 11/3/2025.
25 witnesses have been examined till
11/3/2025.
11/3/25. The status report for both of them. Summer
Date, madam.
vacation for শুক্রবার আসলো। Yes.
Item 2.
After vacation. Yes.
Item 3.
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner is an old lady and he is in jail custody, and she is in jail custody since 17th April 2025. The allegation is that 20 kg 910 grams of ganja seized from 2 persons in one bag. Then each having 10 kg 455 grams. It is less than the commercial quantity.
Contraband fees is 20 kg 910 grams. The accused is from West Bengal. Accused is from West Bengal.
Have you got the CD?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. CD and CA is not.
CD criminal antecedent and address verification. And after summer vacation. Yes, next.
Madam, fix.
That is connected matter, the same feed. Item 3 has a connected matter.
Same.
Similarly posted.
He is also outsider.
No, yes, 2 is the outsider.
Both of them are outsiders.
Okay. Yes, next.
Item 4.
And because of 20B to B, 10 kg.
10 kg ganja, petition number 3 is from West Bengal.
10 kg ganja. You are in custody since when?
2025.
13/4/2025.
13/4/25. Lesser than commercial quantity. 37 is not a bar allowed, and since petitioner number 3, the man from Murshidabad state from the state of West Bengal, before accepting the bail bond in respect of petitioner number 3, the trial court shall carry out the address verification. Yes, allowed.
Item 5.
Offense tribal by magistrate 303 surplus 2, that is corresponding to offense as in 379. There, my lord, they have not committed the crime, but they were attempted to shift some pipes by loading in truck from one place to another place.
ट्रक नहीं कि पाइप गुड़ा लोड करके नौतले धरा पड़ले
आज्ञा
कौन नौतले
पाइप
पाइप गुड़ा पाइतला पानी पाइप सेगुड़ा के ट्रक लगे कि नहीं जा पे चेष्टा करतले धरा पड़ले
नहीं
अप्रिंटेड एट द स्पॉट
आउटफिट ऑफ चिकेस
ना या केस किसी नहीं असिस्टेंट किसी ना
party land council for the petition land council. मेरा outsider उड़ा
I driver out outsider.
गुड़ा आउटलेट
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଇଏ ସବୁ ଡ୍ରଗ୍ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଆମକୁ
and counsel for the petition and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioners, that the petitioners are in judicial custody since
17/4/2025.
17/4/2025, and offences are triable by magistrate. Investigation has made substantial progress. And after hearing the learning counsel for the state who submitted that the petitioners are from the state of Rajasthan, trying to release the petitioners on bail. Local should be told, subject to condition that before accepting the bail bond, the learning magistrates are verify and the correctness of the address of the petitioners as mentioned in the first item, superintendent of police, superintendent of police. Yes,
Item 6.
6 is under section 6 of POCSO, notice of request.
And the extra property is all notice to CP.
CDS.
Item 7.
3457 of Immoral Traffic Act, no case theory.
Constitution law 2/4/2025 should be criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 8.
Next item also, sir. With item.
Connected item. With
Eight.
Yes, item 8.
My lord, the petitioner, including 50 persons, have been indulging in illegal mining activities such as cutting of laterite stone, excavation and transportation of morum. My lord, when the raiding party raid the spot, my lord, they have driving the vehicle in a dangerous speed without following the direction of the infra.
111(3) is there.
My lord,
Life imprisonment,
my
member
lord,
of organized
the
crime.
other person
No
have
case
been
theory.
granted anticipated bail. Annexed 2 is the order. My lord.
CD criminal antecedent.
My lord, co-accused person anticipated bail annexed 2. My lord.
Yeah, super. On organized crime, she देखियो and
111(3).
Yes, next.
Item 9. Item 9.
Item 9 alert, the offense is under section 326G, BNS 23. Millard, the allegation is that the informant is the niece of the petitioner, and the petitioner, while quarreling with his own wife, means the informant's aunt, Millard caused fire to his own house, and that sprayed in the informant's house also got burnt. That is the allegation, Millard. Millard, my submission is that she also has said, the informant also has said that the petitioner was under the influence of alcohol. He's a alcoholic person, and he was under intoxication, Millard. As the allegation transpires.
Glance to page 9 FIR, para 2. 4 to such fire, 4 क्विंटाल धान, 1.5 क्विंटाल चाउल, घरर लुगापट्टा, कथा कमल, साइकेल 2टा, एलईडी टीवी, फैन, बड़ भणीर बोर्ड रु ग्रेजुएशन पर्यंत सब सर्टिफिकेट, मोर बोर्ड सर्टिफिकेट, पीस पुअर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन देबा एडमिट कार्ड, books, guides, सब पड़ी.
That's the description of the loss, Millard, of course, but the intention
And the
intention here doesn't seem to be. Negligence ru hoiche agya. Wife tankar negligence ru hoiche. 15/2/25. 15/2/25
What about the criminal antecedent?
Antecedent किसी नहीं.
Yes, Millard. That is SORO PS case number 10. SOSO PS case number 107 of 2023. এটা হচ্ছে 30/2025, সেটা 107 of 2023.
Already has been filed with two copies.
That's it.
That's it.
The learned counsel for the petitioner filed the FIR, copy of the charge sheet and statements of the witnesses which are taken on the form. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 15 to 2025, and he has been charge sheeted in the section P26(G) for BNS. And after hearing the land counsel for the state to place the statements of the witnesses and in time to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activity, appear before the learned trial court on each date, which the case would be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of the allowed.
Item 10,
Allegation 20B 2C NDPS my lord. 21 kg ganja was seized from the two persons, my lord. As per the prosecution, my lord, two persons are standing near the road, my lord, while one of the informant and other staff are
No case diary.
City,
And man of Uttar Pradesh.
city criminal intelligence and address verification to be made through SP. Yes. With it as you. Sit Arata which is Barlo
connected.
Barlo Karata.
Yes,
Bar-
yes,
Or same model. CDC address verification. Separate out of the. Yes.
item 11,
My lord, corresponding officers are 307, 324, 506, 294 and 34. Allegation is that, my lord, the informant while in the office, the present petitioner are assaulted by means of a two-bar, my lord.
Harua Farsa re Mundo Dahanatar Provar Kala, no case diary.
And 15 page,
Report.
I mean, page 15, on a code below is indicated that injury
It's a grievous injury lection 4
again.
So,
He has been discharged from hospital.
full khai.
Nice.
Case diary. No, criminal antecedent.
Oh, you'll have to know it. Friday, I will, in the meantime, I will give the
Condition of the
injury.
injury. See, anyway, next.
item 12,
Your Lord. 496, 406, 313, 506. So far as 313 is concerned, Lord, there is no document to that effect. Allegation is that some test of marriage, Lord, he has physical relationship with the.
Absconder since 2019, apprehended recently, and I have not received the case diary. 313 is there.
The affair was lost by the victim herself.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes, yes.
No, yes, कौन गुड़ा कोयले निर्दिष्ट
Rukmini, he has lost.
she is the victim ना
Yes, yes.
सिया तो कोई no
22 years now.
or the land council for the petitioner land council for the state consider submission made by the land council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody is 24/3/2025 and he has been charged with under section 498, 406, 313, 506 of the Indian Penal Code. And after going through the case report and since the victim is a major and hearing the land council for this case is submitted that the case is of the year 2019 and the
19.
Division now and the petitioner was arrested almost 5 years after the arrest occurrence. I'm inclined to 4 years after 4 years, like 5 years. 5 years after the offense, I'm inclined to release the petition and they allow this next.
item 13,
Also, is there notice to go
One of these.
extra
No
copy.
case diary also.
Extra copy CD, CA, confirmation letter, yes.
So also the case diary.
No,
Smart.
item 14,
Custody since 21/3/2025 for arrest. Offense under section 751, 351(2), 296. Corresponding officer 354A, 506, 294 of IPC arrest.
The charge sheet meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted, Your Lordship. Maximum punishment prescribed is 3 years, Your Lordship. Under section 75(1) of the BNS, Your Lordship.
The victim is a physically challenged lady miner, eyewitness their attempt to rape. Can you have
That is
glance
submitted,
the
Your Lordship.
statement of the eyewitness?
Yes. Be 2 years boy, Your Lordship. First offender, no criminal.
Is that one?
Yes.
Keyword ରହିଲାଣି
21/3/25।
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
22 ବର୍ଷର ପୁଅ, 18 yearsର
Physically
victim.
challenged.
Yes.
ଶୁଣିପାରେ ନାହିଁ, କଥା କହିପାରୁନି।
and the learning council for the petition, learning council for the state, considering the submission made by the learning council for the petitioner. That the petitioner is a young boy who is about 21 years and is in jail for custody since 21/3/2025. And in the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted under section 75(1), 351, 96 of the BNS. After going through the statement of the victim, placed by the learned counsel for the state and other available materials on report, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that the petitioner shall not try to come in contact with the victim or tamper with the evidence in any manner. He shall not indulge in any criminal case, appear before the learned trial court on his state, his case will be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation.
Obliged.
Item 15.
Hey, office color, my lord. That's it submitted, my lord. Office, my lord, that's it submitted on the
After
section.
3 years of absconding, they are arresting on 27/3/2025.
You are in custody since when?
My lord, 27/3/2025, a surrender, my lord. Occurrence, my lord, 19/3/2025.
Charge sheet submitted under what offenses?
341, 323, 302, 447, 343.
341,
Again,
323.
again,
ତାପରେ
302,
ହୁଁ
447,
ହୁଁ
342, 34 IPs.
What is the name of the deceased?
This is my lord, Nepali Tanti.
Date of occurrence?
Occurrence, my lord, 19/3/2022.
Eyewitness ଅଛନ୍ତି?
No.
On material ଅଛି?
Material, my lord, ହୋଲିରେ ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ ହେଲା ପରେ ଡିସିସ୍ ନେପାଳ ପ୍ରତି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆସି ଛୁରୀରେ କାଟିଦେଲା ବେକୁକୁ, ଯେ ପିଟିସନ ନମ୍ବର 1 ର ବେକୁକୁ କାଟିଦେଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ ତା ଘରକୁ ଗଲେ, ତା ବାପାକୁ ଖୋଜାଖୋଜି କରି କଣ ବାଡିଆ କଲେ, ଲାତ ବିଧା ଗୋଇଠା ଠେଙ୍ଗାରେ ମାଇଲେ, ତାପରେ ସେ ପୁଅକୁ ପାଇଲେନି। ତା ପରଦିନ ମାଇଲର ତା ଡେଡ ବଡି ମିଳିଲା ମାଇଲର ହେମଲତା କାରୁଆ ଘର ସାମ୍ନା ଆଗରେ। That's one step.
That Babu Karua is the eyewitness. He has stated that ଆମ ଘର ପାଖ ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ନେପାଳ ତନ୍ତୀକୁ ସାନ ଓରଫ ଶିଶିର ସ୍ୱାଇଁ, ପିତା ହେମନ୍ତ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ, ମନୋଜ ମହାକୁଡ଼, ପିତା
Page 17, I have annex.
page 17.
17. ହଁ ପଢିଲି।
ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ନେପାଳ ତନ୍ତୀକୁ ସାନ ଓରଫ ଶିଶିର ସ୍ୱାଇଁ, ପିତା ହେମନ୍ତ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ, ମନୋଜ ମହାକୁଡ଼, ପିତା କୃଷ୍ଣ ମହାକୁଡ଼, ମହେଶ ଓରଫ ବାବୁ ମହାକୁଡ଼, ପିତା କୃଷ୍ଣ ମହାକୁଡ଼, ଗ୍ରାମ ବାଚୁହାଟିଙ୍ଗା, ଥାନା ଯୋଡ଼ା, ଜିଲ୍ଲା କେଉଁଝର। ଆମ ବାଚୁହାଟିଙ୍ଗା 8-10 ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଠେଙ୍ଗା ଧରି ବହୁତ ମାଡ଼ ଧର କଲେ। ମୁଁ ଡରେ ଆମ ଘର ଭିତରୁ ପଳାଇ ଗଲି।
ନେପାଳ ତନ୍ତୀ
ନେପାଳ ତନ୍ତୀ
ମନୋଜ ମହାକୁଡର ମାନେ ନେପାଳ ତନ୍ତୀ ମାନେ ଡିସିଜ ମନୋଜ ମହାକୁଡର ବେକରେ ଛୁରୀରେ କାଟିଦେଲା। ତ ମନୋଜ ମହାକୁଡ ହଉଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପିଟିସନର।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତାପରେ ଏହି
ଏହି
ରାଗରେ
ରାଗରେ ଏହି ରାଗରେ 19/3/2022 ସମୟ ରାତ୍ର ପ୍ରାୟ 10 ଘଟିକାରୁ 11 ଘଟିକା ଭିତରେ ଆମ ଘର ପାଖ ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ନେପାଳ ତନ୍ତୀକୁ ସାନ ଓରଫ ଶିଶିର ସ୍ୱାଇଁ ପିତା ହେମନ୍ତ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ ମନୋଜ ମହାକୁଡ଼ ପିତା କୃଷ୍ଣ ମହାକୁଡ଼ ମହେଶ ଓରଫ ବାବୁ ମହାକୁଡ଼ ପିତା କୃଷ୍ଣ ମହାକୁଡ଼ ଗ୍ରାମ ବାଚୁହାଟିଙ୍ଗା ଥାନା ଯୋଡ଼ା ଜିଲ୍ଲା କେଉଁଝର ଆମ ବାଚୁହାଟିଙ୍ଗାର 8-10 ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଠେଙ୍ଗା ବାଡ଼ି ଧରି ବହୁତ ମାରଧର କଲେ।
The petitioner name is there. ବାବୁ alias ମହେଶ ଅଛି।
ମାଛୁ ମହାକୁଡ଼
ମହେଶ ସୌର୍ୟ ବାବୁ ମହାକୁଡ଼
ମୁଁ
ମାରଧର କଲେ।
ଡରେ ଆମ ଘର ଭିତରୁ ପଳାଇ ଗଲି। ମୋର ମା ନେପାଳ ତନ୍ତୀକୁ ସେଦିନ ରାତିରେ ପାଣି ପିଇବାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲା ଓ ସେମାନେ ମାଡ଼ରେ ବହୁତ ଚିତ୍କାର କରୁଥିଲେ। ତା 23 ଦିନ ସକାଳୁ ଦେଖିଲି ଯେ ନଗେନ୍ଦ୍ର ତନ୍ତୀର ପୁଅ
ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ମନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି?
ଆମ ଘର ଆଗରେ ମରି ପଡ଼ିଛି।
ମାରିବାଟା ଯୋଉ ମର୍ଡର କଲେ ସେଟା କି ନାହିଁ
ମାଡ଼ ମାରିଲେ ତାପରେ ପାଣି ମାଗିଲା ତା ପରଦିନ ମରିଗଲା ଆଉ କଣ ଆଉ। What is the PM report?
One accused in this case, son of
Have you obtained that PM report? What about the criminal antecedent?
No criminal accusation. One who accused in this case acquittal medical.
ଆପଣ ଫେରାରୀ ରହିଲେ
2 ବର୍ଷ ଫେରାର ଥିଲା 22
PM ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ କଣ ଅଛି?
All the injury are antemotum nature.
କେତେଟା ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ଅଛି?
6ଟା injury. External injury 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
ଦେଖି ପାସ୍ ଅନ୍ କଲ ସେଦିନ। criminal antecedent କଣ ଅଛି?
नहीं भाई no criminal.
Or the learning counsel for the petitioner, learning counsel for the state. The learning counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner voluntarily surrendered before the learning GMFC Barbil on 27/3/2025, and since then he is in judicial custody. In the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted under section 341, 323, 302, 447, 342/34 of the Indian Penal Code. The occurrence in question took place on 19/3/2022, and as per the eyewitness account of Babu, okay, page revision.
This was 70.
Babu
Karua.
Babu Karua. It was the deceased who first assaulted the petitioner by means of a knife on his neck on 19/3/2022. For which the petitioner pled away. And it is stated that on the very day in the night at about 10 to 11 a.m., the petitioner along with others assaulted the deceased by means of lathi. And on the Next day he died. The land council submits that the one of the who are namely ESFS alias Steve Kumar Chandra Swine, who has been named as one of the assailant of the deceased by the aforesaid eyewitness Babu Karua, faced trial in the court of an additional session judge Shampua in ST case number 51 of 2022, and by judgment and order dated 29/3/2025, he has been acquitted of the land council further submits that in view of the available material on record and the background of the case, the legal application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Stop. Land council for the state has produced the case diary, opposed the prayer for bail, and argued that the petitioner was an absconder for about 3 years, and therefore he should not be enlarged on bail, considering the submission, nature of accusation against the petitioner, background of the surrounding circumstances under which the occurrence stated to have taken place, and nature of overt act attributed against the petitioner, as he also placed on the postmortem report. And in time to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the Iranian trial court on each state with the case of classes, and shall not try to tamper with the evidence, violation of any terms and conditions of intent and person of bail.
Item 16.
In my lord, custody 54/7/2024, my lord. POCSO Act 164 statement is there, which says no physical relation.
CD अच्छी ना नहीं है?
CD আছে।
CD আছে 164 statement.
Confirmation letter done yes. Regarding service of notice. Next.
Item 17.
May I please your lordship? Madam, here in this case, there is 2 bail applications and the 3 accused persons are there. And they are inside custody since 31 January 2025, my lord. And charge sheet submitted on 2/4/2025. So the entire case is based on circumstantial evidence, my lord. And
So when you were in custody?
My lord, 31/1/2025.
31/1/2020. Charge sheet submitted.
Yes, my lord. 2/4/25.
Under what offenses?
103 clause 1.
103.
My lord.
103 bracket 1.
Bracket 1.
Then?
And 309 clause 6.
3096.
And 3 clause
35 BNS. Huh?
My lord.
What is the name of the deceased?
My lord, Santilata Rana.
So, when the occurrence took place?
21/1/2025.
No eyewitness.
No eyewitness.
What are the materials in it?
My lord, so far as the first bail application is considered, there is no materials, only the confessional statement before the police. And the second is concerned, my lord, they stated that they this the present petitioner Ajit alias Paulo confessed that he assaulted the deceased.
Who confessed?
Ajit alias Paulo.
Who accused?
Who accused? Second bill, sub item.
He confessed before whom?
Before the policeman.
Acha. And he implicated himself, so also the petitioners of this bail application.
Right. First, the petitioners are apprehended that from local inquiry and from confidential reliable sources, 2 persons are
So
apprehended.
that is the only material or anything else?
My lord, they stated in second bail application that the bamboo stick was recovered.
Recovery of weapon, bloodstain, wearing apparels,
Bamboo stick.
confessional statement, Rasila Karo, na Ajit.
Right.
Allow. Ajit Rauchi second.
Second.
Then the confessional statement is proceed.
That's the confidential statement the present petitioner Bikram Harijan. ଆମେ 3 ଜଣ ଗଲୁ କାଦେ ବୁଡ଼ିକି ଡାକିଲୁ ହେଲେ ଏବେ ନାଇଁ ସକାଳେ ଆସିବ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ କବାଟ ବି ନେଇ ଖୋଲିଲା କି ଅଜିତ ପଲାଉ ଶୁକୁର ସେଠୀ କୁଙ୍ଗୁଲ ଆଡୁ ଘର ଭିତରେ କେ ঢুকলা
এটা হচ্ছে অজিতর স্টেটমেন্ট তো পুলিশ
এটা বিক্রম দ্যাট প্রেজেন্ট পিটিশনার স্টেটমেন্ট
কাহা পাখরে পুলিশ
বিফোর দি পুলিশ
ଆଉ ଇଏ ସେ ଅଜିତ କେବେଠୁ ରହିଛି?
Same day.
3 ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକିରି
What about the criminal antecedent?
My lord, in petitioner first bail application there is no antecedent. In second bail application there is one antecedent.
कौन offense कौन?
Offense of 364A, 365, 368.
और the land council तीटा करो common order को दो. The land council for the petitioners, land council. The land council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 31/1/2025. They have been charge sheeted under section 1031, 3096 and 35 of the BNS. The occurrence in question took place on 21/1/2025. There are no eyewitnesses to the occurrence, and case is based on circumstantial evidence, and the main circumstance is the confession before police and leading to discovery of some incriminating articles, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land counsel for the state has produced the case diary, opposed the prayer for bail, and submitted that though the petitioners in BLAPL number 4513 of 25 are having no criminal antecedent, but the petitioner in BLAPL number 4860 of 2025 is having one criminal antecedent. Considering the submission, nature of accusation against the petitioner, absence of any direct evidence, nature of circumstantial evidence on behalf, period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioners on bail, shall not indulge in any criminal activities, appear before the Lion Trial Court on which date with the case will be posted for the violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed. Yes, next.
Okay.
Item 18.
My lord, offences are under section 310 subsection 4(5) of BNS corresponding to 399 and 401 of IPC and Arms Act 25(1)(BA. Preparation to commit. In custody 23-25.
Out data case or
No antecedent.
Yes, Mr.
and nothing is
The land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 2025. The petition has no substantial purpose. There is no criminal intent against the petitioner, and considering the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Item 19.
May regular shift below commercial quantity. Petition number 1 is Lady Miller.
What is actually right making for
10 গ্রাম ব্রাউন
what Dr.
Petition
Dr. Ramro Sobon?
Petition not previous. Petition line Lady Miller.
Ladies,
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଉପରଟା ବେলা ରାହି ମାଧିକି ଦେଇଛି
କିଡ୍ନି ନାହିଁ
wait to paper ରହିଲେଣି
ରହିଲେନି ମିଲ 8/4/2025
Constitution 8/4/2025 lesser than commercial quantity. Petitioner is a lady keeping in view the provides the section shown so board application is allowed next week.
ସ୍ୱାମୀ ମିଲର
How
Item 20.
it after the patient to
oblate
is item 20.
I think 15. Making the looks.
Offense कौन हो?
Offense millet brown sugar 38 gram.
कितने?
38 gram. Total from 2% 80 gram from the present to 38 gram.
कोट कर रहा हूँ.
Bhubaneswar.
अच्छा. Constitution
Arrest.
11/4/25 quantity of brown sugar seized lesser than council quantity bar not applicable. Hearing the land council for this to sell out next.
Item 21.
Commercial quantity, but it will not slip from the position of the petitioner.
Item 22.
may be but corresponding offense minute 2490 for 16 minute and 35 minute 60 of the IT action. The petitioner is not named in FIR, non-FIR member. The occurrence taken place on minute 28/10/24. The FIR lodged in 5/12/24 minute. And he was arrested on minute 6/25 minute.
Cyber crime da.
Yes, sir. But
CD nada
Yes, they are. Will be criminal antecedent. Yes, no.
Item 23.
May please. Yes, our allegation is 307 corresponding to BNS model. And the petitioners are in custody since 27/3/2025. And the injured person, there is grievous injury. Paid burden of the order may kindly be seen. They have been released or grievous injury have been they are discharged.
injury report not with us and this
Page 13 it has been reflected
two
that they are
antecedents
discharged from the
two antecedents Hemogiri PS case number 174 and Hemogiri case number 1
Injury report annondu health condition annondu alla
Your Lordship,
injury report yes
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for another petitioner in the connecting case, Manasa.
health condition tapore
Your Lordship, there is a counter case.
non antecedent then same order in the connected case yes next
Item 24.
With your permission, I plead to VC, my lordship. My lordship, the present petitioner has been alleged with the offence under section 21B of NDPS Act. Is in custody since 21/2/2025. The charge sheet has already been submitted. With your permission, if I plead to VC, my lordship.
people that more what was seized
83 grams of contraband heroin, my lordship.
Part the land council for the petition and land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petition where the petition in judicial custody since 21 to 2020. Quantity of heroin stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 83 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable, and taking the progress of investigation and hearing the land council for the state, and inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the land and trial court on each state when the case will be posted for trial, shall not indulge in any criminal activity, violation of any terms and conditions, shall entail cancellation of the allowed.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 25.
Item 25 our petition a young boy Miller, 24 years of age Millers, having no criminal antecedent Millers. And offense alleged my lords corresponding IPC offense my lord 420, 416, 469, 467, and section 66C and 66D of ITIT my lord. Allegation
4,90,000 taken and residing at belongs to Bihar, Bhartan Road, Kolkata.
yes, petition. Petition having no criminal antecedent Miller. It's a first offender. And forwarding report
Royal and Kerala.
my lords. Hospital date na 25 March 2025.
25 March.
My lord.
Part the land and council for the petition, land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petition, by the petitioner, he is a young boy, has it about 25 years, and in judicial custody since 25/3/2025. And the offences have traveled by magistrate, and the amount involved in the case is 4,98,000. And after hearing the land council for the state submitted that the petitioner is a man from state of West Bengal, I am inclined to release the petition on bail subject to condition, but before accepting the bail bond, the land SDGM Sambalpur shall verify the correctness of the address of the petitioner as mentioned in the court title, the Superintendent of Police of Sambalpur. No? Yes, allow.
Item 26.
The bail appeal has become infructuous as the petitioner has been convicted on the conclusion trial.
Counsel for the petitioner. What is your good name? Mr. Counsel, what is your name?
Nikhil Kumar Pandey.
Mr. N.K. Panijai files a memo that the application has become infructuous. Memo is taken on report, disposed of as it's infructuous. Yes, next.
Item 27.
27.
The case under POCSO.
Extra copy to be solved. Notice to be issued. CD achieved. CD criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 28.
28.
My lord, case in counter case. Custody since 25th March 2025. FIR lodged against my lord 4%. My lord, petitioner बहु पानी आला को से मद पिना परिसा गला पाइप रे आंसर 2 my lord counter case petitioner बहु my lord पानी आला को से मद पिना इनफांड ताको सोलासे गाड़ी विरोध करी टांगिया धरि हानिया पड़ला.
You assaulted to whom? Who is the injured in this case?
My lord, injured.
Injured na kon?
Answer 1 my lord, injured.
Injured na kon na next one.
Injured wala Jonathan Naik.
Jonathan Naik. So what type of injury he has sustained?
My lord.
कौन इंजुरी ହେଇଥିଲା ତା ଦେହରେ?
मानो से ठेला पेला ना टोना उठा पड़ी गला इंजुरी सिंपल अछि.
Not available how to the IO in the case submitted injury report of the injured is not available. In revealed case diary he was under treatment at DHS on board. In absence of any difficulties, case diary is not applicable. अच्छा कौन अच्छी ना
They assaulted with the iron rod.
iron rod on the head like
Head. He sustained an injury near about the ear.
मानो केस इन काउंटर केस मान लो
ସେ
आंसर
କଣ ରହିଛି ନା ଇହ ଦାମ ତ୍ୟାଗ କଲାଣି?
He is alive.
ना घर को मानो आसलानी ड्यूटी कोजी नाल करे
ଘରକୁ ଆସିଲାଣି?
हां ना नाल को ड्यूटी करूची सिक्योरिटी अफसर अछि.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି ଆପଣ?
25 March 2025, my lord.
Or the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/3/2025, and it's a case and counter case, and the injured has already been discharged from the hospital, is quite hale and hearty, and after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Next.
Item 29.
Right.
May please, my lord, I may be permitted to appear through VC, my lord. My lord, this is a case under section 103(238), section 3(5) of BNS. My lord, in this case, meanwhile, though the charge sheet has been submitted, the case has been lingering from 12/2/2025 for want of submission of chemical report, my lord, for which the trial could not be commenced. And since last 8 date of posting,
You got the charge sheet?
There are eyewitnesses to the incident.
Eyewitnesses are there.
Yes.
my lord, admittedly there is eyewitnesses.
What they have stated? Name one eyewitness.
One is Vishwamitra Mirdha.
कौन?
Vishwamitra Mirdha.
विश्वामित्र
Mirdha alias Padi.
मिर्धा. कौन कौची?
एक जे 12/10/2024 रिपोर्ट में 10टा समय रे मैं प्लीज
Relevant portion टा पढ़ो.
आमे ललित मिर्धा ओ मु मद पीलु नाही जहा पर आमे अलग अलग गोटे साइड रे बसी खाली मांस खाइले एई समय रे लक्ष्मण मिर्धा हरीश मिर्धा द पिटिशनर पूर्वरु कोनोसी कथा को नहीं निज निज भितर झगड़ा आरंभ कले ता
स्त्री ना कौन?
लक्ष्मण मिर्धा हठात हरीश मिर्धा उत्त्यक्त होई तार पैंट पॉकेट रे एक छोट छुरी बाहर करी लक्ष्मण बेक को काटी देला एई समय पवित्र मिर्धा एक मांस कटा छुरी रे लक्ष्मण पेट को भूसी पकाइला एवं से छटपटा भाषा बचाव बचाव करी पाटी कला या देखि आमे दुई जण ताको पाखु दौड़ी गेलु किंतु समान आम दुई जण को धमक देई कहिले एटा को आसनी नहले आमे तुम मन को भी मारी.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, the
My lord, admittedly there are eyewitnesses, my lord.
There are two
My lord, may I make a small request before the my lord. My lord, may I please to direct one direction so that the chemical report may be submitted at earliest so that the trial may be commenced and liberty may be given to the petitioner to renew his bail, please.
available material on record, particularly the statements of the eyewitnesses, Vishwamitra Mirdha
And another Lalit Mirdha.
and the postmortem report. I'm not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that due to non-availability of the chemical examination report, there is delay in progress of the trial. The learned counsel for the state shall instruct the concerned forensic science laboratory director to immediately dispatch the chemical examination report to the learned trial court. And after receiving the same, the learned trial court shall progress with the trial in accordance with law and take steps for examination of the eyewitnesses at the first instance. Stop. The petitioner is at liberty to renew the prayer for bail after examination of the eyewitnesses. Yes.
Can I get a free
Obliged,
copy?
obliged, my lord.
Please, free copy of the order be handed over to the land council for this. Yes.
Item 30.
As extra copy देवे, notice you want. Confirmation letter टाइम CD available है.
Item 31.
Belgium measurement. Rounding takes 16.
That means a POXO.
Rounding takes 16. Rounding takes 16 second para fifth line. On perusal of the case report, it appears that on earlier occasion the accused was released on bail, but due to violation of condition for a non-apparent non-step taken, individually received on 24/7/2024. He was arrested on 28/9/2024. I will also annex the bail order and the individual order.
Or the land council for the petition, land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the position of the petitioner was on bail, but due to non-taking of states, on the date which non-available warrant of arrest was issued against him on 24/7/2024, by virtue of which he was taken into judicial custody on 28/9/2024. That is all Belgium format करिए allow करते हैं. Yes.
Item 32.
So on behalf of Das, Madam, I here to Krishna is in custody since 23/8/2023.
CD has not come.
Now,
Section 302.
eyewitnesses have already been examined. It stated that due to the lack of treatment, the deceased died. Page 46 is the doctor already examined in court.
No, let him go. What get the case diary passed. Last date it is. He wrote the case. Yes. CP and criminal antecedent.
Yes.
Data of the connected matter. Yes. Next.
Item 33.
32 has one sub-item is there.
Oh, it connected. In both the matters, you obtained the
CDM.
criminal antecedent
Yes.
along with the case diary. Yes.
Item 33.
After vacation. Yes. Next.
Item
There are
34.
connected matters which, you know. Yes.
Item 34.
Maybe 34 may not have nothing on behalf of the informant. File minimum bar. It's a case of 306 man. Corresponding officer is 306 man.
Case diary is
No.
nine. Yeah.
Yeah, in this case, my lord,
Mr. Vidhu Bhushan Mahapatra, Land Council submits that he has filed wakalatnama for the informant on 12/5/2025. That the wakalatnama be placed on record, the name of the Land Council for the informant be reflected in the clause list. That a copy of the bail application which is logged on the Land Council for the informant. Land Council for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary. Put up this matter, give a date. Yes.
in this case, my lord, a small child is also in custody.
Asu case diary, Asu petitioner is permitted to move the vacation court. Yes, next.
Item 35.
POXO Act is there.
That is my lord.
POXO is there.
POXO, acha. Extra copy, notice,
CD and C.
CD and CD achi.
No.
CD and C, confirmation letter. Objection.
Item 36.
May have did not. And here the petition number 1 is the driver and the petition number 2 is the my lord, helper of a truck, my lord.
Theft of
Which-
timber, your lordship.
My lord,
Theft of timber.
seized, my lord, 14 quintals.
CD and CA would be required.
My lord, punishment is 5 years, my lord. And on the by the instruction of the owner of the truck, my lord, they were transporting the timber, my lord, and it was seized, my lord.
ମୁଁ କି ଜାଣିନି ସ୍ପିକର ନେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ଟ୍ରକ୍ ମତେ କହିଥିଲା କେତେଟା କ୍ରିମିନାଲ
No antecedent, no reflection, no antecedent.
ଆପଣ କିଛି ନାହିଁ କାଗଜପତ୍ର
I have all
CD ta asin.
certified copy.
And they are from Bihar, your lordship. CD and CA would
Council
be
for
required.
the state takes some time to produce the case reports and also obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent.
And there is no antecedent that may be reflected.
Authenticity as well
The address.
correctness of the
Yes.
address furnished by the petitioners in the cost title. Na?
May
ठीक है जी, next.
Item 37.
Along with other offences, injuries the informant violence more than 1 month in custody, that is 5/4/2025. Allegation is that assaulted
CD is
violence,
there.
assaulted violence.
Multiple assault are the vital part of the body.
And injuries the
Injury
injury put that is that it gives us purpose the people.
Hospital reason you also right knee, right arm,
Injury is the informant.
and previous in nature,
No antecedent.
race of also swam of assist. 5/4/25. That's my 20. Injury is the informant.
Injured is the informant, himself lost the affair. And also himself lost the affair, injured. Bhagavan, that is Bhagavan Bari.
Or the land council for the petition land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petition that the petition is in judicial custody since 5/4/25 and the informant is the imbue. And the investigation has made substantial progress, and after hearing the land council for the state who placed the on the play rejection order submitted that the injured has sustained in previous injuries. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that shall not indulge in any criminal activities and shall not try to tamper with the evidence, appear before the trial court and transport any state if the case is posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Item 38.
Also,
Yesterday is there, notice.
extra copy, notice, confirmation letter regarding service of communication. Next.
Item 39.
Here also POXO, no case diary.
Just same extra copy, notice.
CDCA.
Information letter.
My lord, 6 prosecution witnesses have already examined, including
Which
the
matter?
39.
39.
39. 39. Madam, you serve an extra copy because it's a POXO Act matter. So serve an extra copy, notice has to go, yes.
And case diary also.
Case diary is not there, have written it.
Item 40.
310 and 331 of BNSL also that is 395 and 450.
Case diary is not there. 3 crores, 51 lakhs was stolen. 34 lakhs recovered from the possession of the petitioner.
What about criminal antecedent?
Case diary is not
Criminal
there.
antecedent nahi bole lekha hai.
Case diary is not there.
Sure, ध्यान नहीं है सुनिए 395 तो
Yes.
the city of criminal antecedent I'm just coming within 2 minutes. Okay.
Item 41.
By Procedural action. Now, offense under section 3032 and 87 of BNS along with the other offenses. My allegation is that the petitioner kidnapped the wife of the informant. Custody since 23/2025. The petitioner kidnapped the wife of the informant with a promise to marry her. That is the allegation. Now the wife of the informant is staying with her husband. Matter.
No case there. That is the case.
You will do land.
Would it in 2025?
Or the land council, at the petition land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petition. The petition is in judicial custody since 2025. And it appears to be a case of elopement with the consent of the wife of the informant was already returned back to the informant and staying with him, and for the taking into account the progress of the investigation and hearing the land council for the state, and inclined to release the petitioner. And here is to oppose the prayer for bail, only on the ground that the petitioner is a man from Maharaj Ganj district in the state of Uttar Pradesh, inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he run in JMFC 1 running port below shall verify the correctness of the address furnished in the post title to the superintendent of police further. Yes. How you look at
Item 42.
Right Cheat and Money Circulation Act, my lord. The case diary is not there.
the nations, criminal antecedent.
Item 43.
Is complete to wish you, my lordship.
Extra question. Extra copy diyantu. No
Yes.
Baki case diary achi.
No, my lord.
City of criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 44.
After
Commercial quantity, no case diary.
vacation CD CA. Next.
Item 45.
52A of Odisha Excise Act. Here, 600 liters of ID liquor has been recovered, and I am in custody since 18/4/2025.
18/4/25. Magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
Item 46.
My lord, offense under 126, 118, 118, 115, 109, 30335. My lord, custody since 25/3/25. Petitioner is not named in FIR. FIR laws against 80% named under 30 August.
16.
My
The
lord,
report of the injured, Pradyumna Tanpat, shows that injury is previous in nature and his health condition is very serious. Due to his bad condition, IO has made prayer to record his dying declaration. No case there.
My lord, one को accused person release on bail. Annexure 3, my lord, in Salakul. Bail जाइए ये FIR नहीं था ना. इसको धरो अच्छी.
Yes, next.
Item 47.
47 million on 52A. 510 liter of country made ID liquor and Mahua Pucha.
820 liter.
See, look at
No, এটা अलगा लोग. अलगा case. Custody since 15/4.
15/4/2025. Master tribal offense allowed. Next.
Item 48.
46 POXO is there, no case diary.
Therefore, P notice.
Informant is appearing.
Appearing for the informant.
Move lordship, whenever grants to the statement of the victim. Annexed to 2 page 12.
Yes, yes, treatment of the victim.
My lord, annexed to 2 page 12. So far as the present petitioner is concerned, Jagannath Pilla, he has not stated anything about Jagannath Pilla.
Who is this man, lady?
informal. Present bail application, I'm appearing for the informal losses. Sumitra Khosla.
They have also appeared before the court bill, the informer. Yeah, what is the statement of the victim? Victim has not stated anything about me, man. He has only a relationship, and he on my calling.
Victim is 13 years now.
She come to
I have not
to
received
meet,
the case.
to meet her, meet him, my lord. Mr. Vijay Kumar Behera, Lan Council files the power for the informant. This is taken on record. Lan Council for the state takes some time to produce the case diary to publish matter. Yes, next.
Item 49.
Name to be reflected in the cause. May I please, Lord? 15. May I please, Lord?
26 kg
Lordship.
140 ग्राम गंजा।
अच्छा, after vacation will be summer. Commercial quantity. Yes, next.
Item 50.
After vacation. 50%. After summer vacation. Yes, there is she.
No, case there is.
CD criminal antecedent. Yes, next one.
Item 51.
51, my lord, nothing has been recovered from the present petitioner, and they have no criminal antecedent. Your lordship, kindly see the FIR page 9.
So,
Only the ganja recovered from Rasmiranjan Mazi and Samir Rao.
Commercial quantity.
Commercial, my lord, but not recovered from this petitioner.
आसु जो कागज पर तो नहीं था।
Only on the basis of what is that?
You have not got the case diary.
so far the 1 case 4598 is case diary.
See,
आसी गोटे तो
only order किसी ने।
ठीक अरे गोटे केस डायरी पर गोटे केस रो अराइज करछि त एगुडा सब गुडा
गोटे आज्ञा गोटे सब टोटल
कोन पांचटा केस डायरी आनिबे ना
नहीं क्रिमिनल एंटीडेंट
एंटीडेंट मन नाही जहां
What about this from which position it was seen?
Here person kindly see the affair one Rasmiranjan Mazi and Samir Rao.
Only two, they spotted only two persons. And basing on their statement,
all are in place.
Yes, all are in place.
Rasmiranjan Mazi
and Samir Rao.
Samir Rao, on being asked, they disclosed that they were they are right. Mr. Dijon Dhara Podle, तांको बेसिस रे कन्फेशनल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ को अक्यूज्ड रे अन्य माने
हमको बिक्री बोले होते
सो हु इज दैट दोस टू पर्सन्स रश्मिरंजन माजी
रश्मिरंजन एंड समीर मैलर दे आर बेल एप्लीकेशन आल्सो देयर
4685 is the Samir Rao
एटा को रखो रश्मिरंजन आर ता को
4799 is the Rasmiranjan
आ ओटा को समीर राव थाला एटा
समीर राव
ना तो 4685 25 और 4799 और 25 एवढा कोची आफ्टर वैकेशन हला
मतलब सेमी भी पार्टनर
4685 of 25 or 4799 of 25 these two will come after vacation on no order the considering the submission made by the Learned Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody. Ek number item rekete
again
10/4/2025 and the contraband articles were seized from the possession of the co-accused persons and on the basis of the confessional statement of those two co-accused persons, the petitioner has been falsely entangled in the crime and keeping in view the ratio laid down in the case of Tufan Singh versus so and hearing the Land Council for the state local na bahar trying to release the petitioner on bail. Okay, so what about the next one? Gagan Bihari Maji.
I may be pardoned, my lords. I'm appearing virtually. I'm there for the second sub-item, my lords.
What is your date of custody?
My lords, 10/4/2024.
You are also implicated basing on
confession.
Right, well allowed next.
Obligations.
Eta hochi second hochi 4602 allowed 4598 well allowed है ना
4635
तापर होची next just a minute 4635 of 25
Madhav Charan Sahu. Your custody date kebe?
Same
date.
10-4.
How he confessional statement of
On the basis of confession.
Well allowed. তারপরে আসলে ওটা ELFL 4720
also confession, say same date.
এটা allowed করে দেবেন হলো তারপরে আউট রইল 4912 of 25
সেটা বি again also based on co-accused statement and same date.
well allowed তো এইটা ম্যাটার রইল সমীর রাউত ELFL number 4685 ଆଉ BLAPL 4799 of 25 Rasmi Ranjan ये गीता का approval है बाकी सब और अलाउ है ना नेक्स्ट
Item 52.
They may be pardon, my lord.
In this case,
in the second
the
sub item,
petitioner,
my name is appearing.
for almost 1 year.
52
In
Mr.
the second
Tanu
sub item, my name is appearing. I pray it may be deleted. The brief has been transferred, my lord.
which one
In item 52, the second sub item, my lord.
second sub item
Yes, my lord.
no somebody was making a submission that it should be not raised you are making
That was infructuous.
There I have got to say, I am appearing for the informant today. I filed the Okalatnam.
Main matter
So for that,
the main matter.
724 is concerned, I have got to say something.
yes
This in the so far the 4599 is concerned. Yesterday I have filed two IAs, that is 561 and 562. One for the maintainability, another to initiate a proceeding under section 340, where almost in identical position. In another case, the notice has been issued to the accused and other people.
no he this man has been released on bail or what
No. This man is not released. He has applied for bail, the present petition. In this case, I have appeared and I filed two IAs.
no he does not want to praise this application now so
That was infructuous.
no where is that
I think your
where
lordship
is
can
your
see
power
I have filed the power.
and where is the memo for withdrawal
I think one letter has come from jail. Your lordship can see the office note. One letter has come from jail. I don't know what letter it has come.
There is prisoner's petition received from Office of Superintendent Circle Jail Heights one so is placed at A1 Asha Learning Council on behalf of Swanson
That's a printing mistake. Instead of informant, that is written as petition.
आगे से बाहर कल से जो K1 टा कौन होता है K1 का
That jail superintendent letter may be received.
26/3/2000 आज पूरा K1 पूजन शेयर कौन देबो
Second, flag A, flag B.
That K is the petition affidavit filed by the informant. I think that's by mistake it is written. Petition.
नहीं हेडा लिखा है जी prisoners petition
That is another one.
अच्छा prisoners petition received from अच्छा that is at flag K1 लिखा है where is that prisoners petition
Prisoner petitioner is not mentioned, and flag mark is not given. That is separate one.
we'll go first the prisoner Prisoner's petition is here. Prisoner's petition, it is mentioned. Acha, withdrawal of jail. I have applied for an bail application by so and so. So I could not join the rituals. and I want to withdraw the petition.
In that case, I filed a petition under section 340 CRPC because of the various false affidavit and also different type of forgery has been done.
He has not
That is
been,
IA 158 of
he
25.
has
I have
not
filed.
been released on bail. He was not released. He says that I want to withdraw, right? How come it's on us?
That IA is 158 of 25. That I have filed. And in identical case, this Hon'Ble Court has issued notice on 340. That is in my lord. Yes, That is BLAPL 3078 of 24. Almost all the affidavits and falsity is same.
Just a minute. The learned counsel for the Mr. Akshay Kumar Sahu files the wakalatnama for the petitioner with no objection from the previously engaged counsel, and he also filed a memo for withdrawal of the bail application as infructuous. The memo along with the wakalatnama is taken on record. Mr. Himanshu Sekhar Mishral and counsel appearing for the informant, informant submits that he has filed one interim application to two interim application by IA number
561 of 25 and 562 of 25.
561 of 2025
And 562 yesterday.
562 of 2025.
That is in my lord BLAPL 4599 I have filed, not this
No.
724.
Then other file konando?
No, 724 158 of 25.
No. मते 724 जोटा फाइल कर
sir, that is IA 158 of 25.
अच्छा एटा तर लिखिबेनी 561 नो एटा होची IA नंबर केते कोंतु
158 of 25.
158 of 25. For what purpose you have?
To initiate a proceeding under 340 CRPC.
Stop. Yesterday filed you have?
No, it's filed earlier.
Achha, file.
Much before. In fact, after filing it only, he is taking steps to withdraw.
Put up this matter along with IN number 158 of 2025. The name of Miss A. Mehta shall not be reflected in the cause list henceforth. In its place, the name of
along with the ballot,
Mr. Akshay Kumar Sahu be reflected.
Along with BLAPL 3078 of 25.
Just a minute. I would achieve 4599 of 25.
4599. I'm appearing.
Acha, you are appearing.
In that case, 724, your lordship may call for BLAPL 3078 of 24. In that case, in identical IAs of filed on 340, notice has been issued.
No, it's in another case.
Another case.
Right, that's all.
But the affidavit and the falsity are same. Identical is both the cases.
Mr. That is the settled principle. Let it come, we'll see that. And
just for your lordship reference, he wants to because there are already another batch is already issued notice.
4599, Mr. Kanuto.
There I have filed IAs.
IA may kindly be served upon us, 158.
The copy of the IN number 158 of 2025 is sought on the learned counsel for the petitioner. That is BLAPL number 724 of 25. Right?
Yes. I will file.
Mr. Mishra, you have filed in this 4599
561 and 562 I have filed. I will serve copy to my learned friend for the appearing for the petitioner. I have served copy to the state.
What are those two IA?
One is maintainability of the bail application, and second is to initiate a proceeding under 340 CR.
Maintainability mean?
Because of the wrong affidavit and various type of falsity, the bail application.
False affidavit?
Yes.
Everything.
There are 7 antecedents.
Then he can say what is the falsity. I would say heard he goes on making allegations.
No, just a minute. Mr. Mishra, you have filed your wakalatnama also in this case along with two interim applications.
Yes.
Have you served a copy of the bail?
We have not.
No.
Please serve.
This copy.
Yesterday we have filed, we will serve copy today.
Mr.
And that may be brought on the record.
Acha, BLAPL number 4599 of 25. Mr. Himanshu Shekhar Misral and counsel submits that yesterday he has filed two interim application. That is IN number 561 of 25 and 562 of 2025.
Yes.
Along with his Wakalatnama.
Wakalatnama today. I filed.
Steve. Wakalatnama also filed the Wakalatnama. The interim applications be taken on record. The name of Mr. Mishra be reflected in the cause list and score. Let the copies of the interim application be served on the learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Milan Kanungol and senior advocate appears for the petitioner, Mr. Sunya Tripathi. You have received the case diary?
Madam.
The learned counsel for the state submits that he has received the case diary. Let a copy of the bail application be served on the learned counsel for the informant.
Apply.
So, yes, next.
Mallots, may I pray, Mallots? That it come up day after tomorrow.
What is the offense?
The
What is
offense is 420 for which they have filed NCLT proceedings. There is no 420 as such made out. And she is behind bars for 1 year.
This is again falsehood and the.
Falsehood, everything we say is falsehood.
Yes, I have said it on
Say that.
Please solve this copy. You solve
Yes.
IAS copy. You serve the swan show.
There are 7 antecedents where the life imprisonment is there. He is implicated in he is remanded to custody in 7 cases. Not this is the one.
53.
Item
And we.
When will your lordship?
It will move during vacation, otherwise it will come after. Yes, next.
Item 53.
Permission may be granted.
Yes, that will be the order. If moved during vacation, if not, after vacation. Yes. Yes, item
Madam, my name may be deleted.
Pardon me, Lord.
In the second sub-item.
I beg pardon, my lord.
Yes, madam.
My lords, in sub-item 2, my name may be deleted, madam.
Yes, that order has already been passed. Yes, next.
I beg pardon, my lord. Item 51, I was in author.
53 is, you are the main accused. You are caught at the spot. You cannot be released till the trial is over. Yes.
Last item, the other two items.
No, sorry, sir. You are the person from commercial quantity of
Standing in the other court.
Are you not following me? You are the person from whom the commercial quantity of ganja has been seized, and you are to satisfy section 37. Yes, next.
301 38 ml.
Obliged.
Yes, item number 53.
The offense is 30103 to 38 ml.
CD is not available.
Okay, case diary and criminal antecedent. Yes.
Item 54.
Clear.
I am appearing for the informant.
Yeah.
It's my learned friend, copy. Loads of rupees, my lord. It's happening here, several antecedents also.
Okay, the land council, Mr. Bhikkhu Prashad Tripathi and senior advocate filed the appearance memo, which is taken on record for the informant. A copy of the bail application be served on the land senior advocate. You have received the case diary?
Yes, case diary with us. And
Land council.
59 also, item 59.
50?
Same accused person and another case.
59 the?
59 and I am for the informant in this.
The CD available for them. A copy of the bail application that is served on Mr. Tripathi, land senior advocate, and matter be listed if moved during vacation, if not after that. Yes, and same order in item number 59. But yes, but the counsel is Mr. Abhinandan Pradhan and his associates file power for the informant. Copy of Baki of order same.
59 is CD 9.
bail application of 50.
59 is
Same case, pra?
No, petitioner is the same, my lord.
petitioner same is another.
Accused person.
It are CDSU. Put a 59 is CDSU, but CD is available in item number 52. Okay? Yes.
Item 55.
My lord, I am VC Hon'Ble from VC Hon'Ble. I am submitting before our lordship that the accused is in custody since 30th January 2025.
It POCSO is there.
But this POCSO shall be punishable only for 3 years.
Solve an extra copy, Mr.
They already given, my lord. We have already given on
notice has to go.
25.
See the case diary.
And the case diary.
Okay. Notice has to go and
from on 25 4th we have already given it.
All right. He has not sent it. He is coming for the first time, so he'll send the notice and confirmation will be out. Yes, next.
Item 56.
Same order. Extra copy, notice, and confirmation letter. Yes.
Item 57.
This one, my lord. And the custody, my lord, from 3 for 2025, my lord. Transaction to 109, my lord. Corresponding to section 307, my lord. The injury, my lord, the 2 victims, and it was the Patrapada, that village dispute. অভিযোগ হচ্ছে যে শুনে শুরুতে আমাকে মারধর হয়েছে and one of the victim has sustained minor injuries.
Divya Jyoti Samantray is simple. But Aloko Jyoti Samantray grievous in nature. Shifted to AIMS Bhubaneswar for
Seidina he jayichan discharge.
Yes.
On that very day, he was discharged. Also, may kindly see the injury also. It's not serious, but
have you got the instruction in the matter that injury to lekha is rejection order there? Jonakor simple
he has got melody.
How Jonakor grievous achi. Aloko Jyoti Samantray ki grievous, but it is mentioned that is in AIMS hospital.
That for
where is the material, Mr. Tripathi, regarding discharge of the
not that
to get the instruction about that, Mr. Tripathi submits that one injured, namely Divya Jyoti Samantray, has sustained simple injury, and though Mr. Alok Jyoti Samantray, Alok Jyoti ra puota to?
Yes.
Alok Jyoti Samantray has sustained grievous injury, and he was also taken to AIMS Hospital, Bhubaneswar, for treatment, but he has also in the meantime discharged from the hospital and he is quite hale and hearty. The London Council for the state has not obtained the case diary, right? So case diary, criminal antecedent and health condition of Alok Jyoti injured Alok Jyoti Samantray. Put up when moved for them. Yeah.
Item 58.
The statement on that S.K.Sahoo permitted to place the matter, my lord.
Yeah.
So 21C of NDPS Act, 282 grams of brown sugar was seized, my lord. This is for the first time
Commercial quantity.
Sitting
After vacation, CD available after vacation for them. Criminal antecedent and yes. Okay, next.
Item 60.
My lord, we are in custody since 15/4/2025, my lord. And the major allegation is, my lord, 307. Corresponding offense is, my lord, 307. There are case and counter case and political dispute, my lords, and the allegation as per the prosecution case is that, my lord, on the date of alleged incident, the informant and other person, those who are belonging to the one political party, went to, my lord, attend a festival, my lord. Where, my lord, it is alleged that the present petitioners and others, my lord, assaulted them, my lord, by means of different weapons, my lord. So far the injury is concerned.
Who is the injured?
So far the injury is concerned, my lord. One Priyabrata Khandayat, my lord.
Jane.
My lord.
Priyabrata Khandayat.
My lord.
Yes, कौन है तो कौन पूछ रहे
One injury is there, my lord. Fracture in hand, my lord. Grievous in nature. I obtained the certified copy of my lord the injury report, my lord. That part your lordship may kindly see.
The CD has not come.
And my lord, so far, my lord, the 215 FIR is concerned. The injured.
What the case diary?
No, all my lord, other person has been anticipated, my lord. Lordship may kindly see the injury report.
The allegation that the petitioner along with 30 others attacked the ex-MLA Pranam
CP to criminal antecedent.
Other, my lord, the other co-accused person granted anticipable for a moment. Your lordship may kindly see, my lord.
Put up when moved for them. Yes, next.
61.
61. 20B2C. 20B2C এটা 80 বছর কি করে
25.
अच्छी केस दे रही
No.
हाँ नहीं सीधी of criminal accusation. Next.
Item 62.
8 kilo ganjam. Of this petitioner lady.
Date of custody.
8 April 2025.
Quantity रखा है
8 kilo.
अच्छा 8 kg 150 grams होता है listen 8/4/2025 quantity of ganjala 8 kg 150 grams lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Next.
Item 63.
The remand case, all other accused person released under by case on court. And 3 series.
394 units. The CD is yet to go.
Custody 2
I request some time to go through the CD.
You?
I've received the CD units. I request some time to go through the CD.
All accused person released on bail on 3 series. By different rules.
Day after tomorrow may also. The London Council for the state submits that though she has received the case diary, but she has not gone through the same, and the matter may be taken up day after freedom. Do this matter on 15/5/2025. Yes.
64 also family remand.
Same.
Family remand.
See case lo to?
No, another remand.
Are there अच्छी case diary?
No.
अच्छा. So 8 are case diary আছে.
CD and CA.
CD and criminal antecedent. Also 8 আসিও কিন্তু উইথ এইখানে আসিও আদের যে তাদের গোটা আছে 60
Other co-accused Sipu alias Vasudev Samal. Remand case
আসি যাও কিছু নাই কাগজপত্র দাম বা নাই কিছু ফার্স্ট টাইম
5 witness examinations.
All right, next item number 65.
Item 63.
79 my lord. Co-accused person release all the religion bail. This is the order and flag 1
As per the impugn order, as per the impugn order, there are 2 antecedents against the present petitioner, and the petitioner was absconded. After the issuance of the NBW, he got arrested.
କେବେକାର କେସଟା
ଏଇ 24 ମସିହା
24 ମସିହା
ଆରେଷ୍ଟେଡ ଆଉ ମାନେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସରେ ଥିଲା
ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ ଟ୍ରାଇବୁଲ
ମାଇଲେ
Heard the land council for the petitioner land council for the state. ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣ ରିମାଣ୍ଡ
କଷ୍ଟ 4/8/2024
land council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner was taken on remand in this case on
4/8/2024
4/8/2024 and the offences are triable by magistrate. And after hearing the London Council for the state who submitted that the petitioner has got 2 criminal antecedents.
Yes.
2 criminal antecedents. I am inclined to release the petitioner.
তিনটা
Huh?
তিনটা criminal.
তিনটা করলেন allowed, huh? Yes, next.
Item 66.
66.
May I please note, offense involves 20B2C of NDPS Act, 24 kg.
24 commercial quantity after vacation as you know. Yeah.
Item 67.
My lord, can you take this matter after vacation?
अच्छा केस डायरी अच्छी है
No.
अच्छा এটা
302, 304.
CD criminal antecedent after vacation
68, 69 also, my lord.
68
and 69 also after vacation.
अच्छा 60 এটা কোন সেম কেস রাইজ করেছেন অলগা অলগা
Different one.
আচ্ছা আদের কেস ডায়রি আছে
No.
নাই তাহলে সেম অর্ডার CD CA after vacation
Is a case under NDPS account. The impugn order showed the trial status hearing is going on.
all right no just you just bring that case diary
Yes.
all these matters CD CA and after vacation it will activate the London Council for the petitioner 6 for an adjournment London Council for the state submits that she is not having the case diary as well as she wants to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. तापर लिखिए put up after hearing. चलो 3 टा का. Yes.
Item 70.
Robbery in train.
Robbery in
And the
train,
man of
one mobile
Chhattisgarh.
phone.
अच्छा.
Ban of Chhattisgarh.
After summer vacation, है ना? Address verification होगा, है ना? अपने CD अच्छी.
CDH.
CD available criminal antecedent.
Criminal antecedent and address verification.
अच्छा. Criminal antecedent and address verification. है ना?
Yes.